Make a great choice today with the 2018 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, Bose sound system, power passenger seat, heated seats, power lift gate, navigation system, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.